everybody. We got little Ava Jean here. And we're gonna see if we have any eggs and show us our new surprise. And just follow me. Come on, sister.
Hey, Doc.
Come on. Look your pigs. Look your pigs. Come on, Doc. Come on, Doc. Yep. You waving at the other puppies?
What are you saying, girl?
Let's go check the chickens. Come on, sister. Come on. It's okay. Go see if we have any eggs in here. Okay? Should we let them out, babe, or what?
You can if you want.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and let them out.
Say, watch out, Doc.
Here they come. Here they go. What roosters lost some feathers too, huh?
Yeah, they're growing back. They're short, but they're growing back.
Yeah. Let them go, sister. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. They're not going to hurt you. It's okay. It's okay.
Are there any more in there?
I don't know. I don't think so.
I think you need a few more chickens.
It's okay. Come here, baby. I got you. You're okay. Let's go check eggs. Do we have any eggs in here? Well, oh, let's go under. Oop. No eggs. That's not good. My dear? It's okay. It's okay. I think it kind of scared her a little bit.
Yeah, when it's flying out.
We'll go check them out here.
Bandit, enough.
Little Ginger.
It is almost coyote hunting time. Can't wait.
All right, sister. Oh, they're in the water. Look at them. Boy, it doesn't take long for that water to get dirty.
No, it's only been in there for like, what, 2 hours?
Yeah. Thank you there, Ava. Look at the ducks.
Well, that's the new animals for the farm.
Yes.
They're pretty, ain't they, babe?
Yes, they are pretty.
Yeah.
Look at them, sis. Look at the ducks. What do you think? What you think? Yeah, the one with the green bill is the male, and the other two are female.
Yes, ma'am.
You see any eggs in there so far?
No, not yet. It might take a few days being a new place.
Right. That's right. Yep, they are pretty. What do you think?
Yeah, that water hasn't been in there for 2 hours, but that's the thing for having ducks.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Maylene told me the names of them, but I can't remember.
Oh,
So
really?
yeah. So I guess Ava and Bubby can name them.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, we thought we'd share with you guys. Hope you guys like the new ducks. Leave us a comment. We'll catch you guys on the next one.